On behalf of Netnology, welcome to another demonstration, part of the Cisco Cross-Domain Integration Initiative. Today, we will be demonstrating a healthcare provider medical application use case using Cisco's Full Stack Observability (FSO) solution, which is comprised of AppDynamics, Cisco ThousandEyes or TE, and Intersight Workload Optimizer or IWO integration. Let's see these applications in action in an actual healthcare scenario. During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, patient testing and matching them to available treatment facilities was key for the healthcare provider. Walk-in and vehicle drive-through screening centers were established overnight. Their end-to-end analytics capability was needed to scale up fast to provide full-stack observability. To ensure the safety of medical staffs, the healthcare provider expanded its contactless smart healthcare services to allow medical teams to easily check real-time patient records on their mobile devices. Due to the spike in COVID-19 cases, average patient intake increased by 25 times per day. This resulted in overcrowding in the hospitals and unprecedented utilization of network resources, services, and applications. Due to a high volume of data being entered into the system, the medical application became non-responsive at times. Patient intake process slowed down significantly, causing delays in administrative tasks, such as completing forms and entering patient information into the medical application. The medical application performance issues translated into several IT challenges. Limited IT staff struggled to keep up with increased numbers of trouble tickets. Issues took a long time to resolve due to limited visibility across network resources, services, and applications. The medical application downtime resulted in poor user experience. The healthcare provider adopted Cisco's Full Stack Observability solution that is constantly learning and adapting with contextual insights to respond to the healthcare provider dynamic environment and its needs. With Cisco's FSO solution, the IT team can now easily manage healthcare providers' dispersed network resources, services, and applications. AppDynamics enhances the user experience by monitoring, analyzing, and optimizing complex application environments at scale. ThousandEyes helps minimize downtime and reduce mean time to repair by monitoring network connectivity from client machines to applications across on-prem and cloud environments. Intersight Workload Optimizer simplifies IT operations by monitoring the underlying infrastructure and making intelligent, automated resource changes as needed. The medical application is deployed across the healthcare provider's data center and Google Cloud and is being monitored by AppDynamics. The Intersight Workload Optimizer is connected to the HyperFlex cluster in the data center using VMware vSphere and monitors network resource utilization. ThousandEyes monitors packet loss, page load errors, or loss of connection to the medical application by running enterprise agents on client machines. Let's have a look at the end-to-end application traffic flow. The medical personnel access the medical application to enter patient information as part of the patient intake process. Due to unprecedented patient volume, the medical application response time slows down. TE agents detect this experience deterioration and send alerts to AppDynamics. AppDynamics detects the medical application performance issues and triggers IWO workflows. IWO workflows remediate the situation by increasing network resources. By adopting Cisco's Full Stack Observability solution, the IT team was able to reduce 80% of the trouble tickets and fix issues before they became service impacting. Reduce mean time to repair by 75%, leveraging capabilities within Cisco FSO solution to quickly identify the issues. Enhance user experience by 50% improvement in application performance. Let's get started with the live demonstration. The healthcare provider IT team has already adopted Cisco FSO solution and deployed and integrated AppDynamics, TE, and IWO platforms. Here, the healthcare provider medical personnel is accessing the medical application and observing slow response times. By refreshing the application, we will notice the long refresh time. Note the average response time of 98 milliseconds in AppDynamics compared to our 30-day baseline of about 7 milliseconds. At this time, TE Agent Response Time Test would initiate an alert to AppDynamics. Note the TE alert from the AppDynamics Healthcare Provider Medical Application Event Log. From the Thousand Eyes dashboard, we notice both end-user clients are showing red. If we hover over both, we can see the connections have timed out. IWO will automatically remediate the underlying infrastructure resource constraints. Note the following IWO instances. The healthcare provider medical application in IWO prior to remediation is showing red. The healthcare provider medical application in IWO after remediation is showing back to green. Back in AppDynamics, the healthcare provider medical application average response times have normalized, and the TE Agent response time test is cleared. Now the healthcare provider medical personnel is accessing the medical application and observing normalized response times. After a browser refresh, we will notice the patient information updates. This concludes our demonstration. To recap, we have seen how using Cisco's full Stack Observability solution can efficiently manage any healthcare provider's dispersed network resources, services, and applications. Contact us to learn more about this use case example and Cisco's full stack observability. From all of us here at Netnology, thank you for watching.